This is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. And I have here, he just came and ordered the jerk chicken. So he's going to tell you how it is. He's the owner of Plan B. Plan B is on Pedro Crisante, when you pass Hotel Europa a little bit on the left side coming from my place. I want you guys to go over there and support him. Great guy. Now he's going to tell us, hey, Raul, how you doing, brother?
Oh, I'm doing fantastic.
He's the new owner. He's the owner of Plan B. Now, tell me about the jerk. He just tried it.
Oh my God, this takes me back. It is beautiful.
Thank you.
Tender. It is flavorful.
Listen, he's from Canada. So you know, Canadians, if there's one thing they know, is Jamaican food.
That's right.
So he know what he's talking about. He tell you.
I do.
So you taste the rice and peas yet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See that?
The spice is perfect.
Thank you, brother. See, he got the jerk chicken meal. All right. So guys, owner of Plan B, supporting Mosha's Reggae Lounge. I want you guys to go and support him. Okay. Let him feel like, you know how we do. Give love.
And come get some more jerk chicken.
Yes, all right. So Raul, enjoy the meal.
Thank you, my brother.
God bless you. So once again, guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, Dominican Republic. I want to tell you guys something that happened a couple of, maybe 2 weeks ago. And it was a shock to me. A friend of mine sent me a video of a guy who was saying, it's on his channel. I don't know the guy. I've seen him. I've never spoke to him, but he just passed by and did a video of my place, and then he says that place is disgusting. Don't go to that Jamaican bar. It's disgusting. Now, why would he say that? I don't know the guy. I've never spoke to him. I've seen him. He's fat, and I think I made a comment. I think it's the same person. I was doing a video with Philly Dom, and I think I mentioned to Philly Dom because Philly Dom was giving him a shout out, and I told him, I said, listen, this person needs to lose some weight because it's very unhealthy the way he's walking around. It's not healthy, you know? And I don't know if that's what he took offense to. And I said to Philly, I can help him. We can help this guy. So Philly goes like, yeah, we can help him. So he put out a nasty video about my place. Now, I'm not going to say anything nasty about him. All I can tell him is this. If he don't take it down and he comes back to the Dominican Republic, I can have him locked up and I can have him in trouble because you can't do that in this country. All right? You can't make a negative scandal about anybody's business here. All right? And you can't, Vecina! You can't do that. It's illegal here. All right? And so I don't have to say anything negative about him. I don't know him. Yeah, he just put out a video. Oh, don't go there. That place is disgusting. I'm like, what? But anyway, guys, I just want you guys to know that this is what's wrong with our people, right? We don't know how to support each other and move forward. We have to say things negative. I've never said anything negative to this person. I never spoke to him in a negative way. I was just talking about his, health with Philly Dom. And then Philly Dom mentioned him and I said, yeah, I know who he is. He's overweight. He needs to lose some weight, which is true. I mean, he looks, anyway, that's his problem. But just want you guys to know that when you come to the Dominican Republic, come here to have fun. Don't listen to a lot of these people. None of these people are bloggers. The only blogger that I know here, that was here, is Cuba Dave. Everybody, Cuba Dave, what he used to do, he used to go to a restaurant, right? Or we go to places, he sit there and he eats the food, he tries the food, and he talks about the place and he tells you what's going on. Now, these guys that you keep coming out here talking about their blogging, they're just looking for views. That's it, nothing more. They're just trying to get views. So be careful, don't listen to them too much. All right, guys, so this is Mosha's Reggae Lounge. All right, one love. You can't miss it when you get here.